Kiss is here. This is a special edition with everything that you need to decorate your kitchen for that special chef in your life. Now, this is going to be a collection with over 100 different designs to choose from, and it's all recipe themed. Now, these recipes are a little bit different. There's a little bit more sugar in these than you normally need. Now, my love muffin recipe here has 2 cups of romance, a scoop of trust, lots of passion, and a splash of friendship in there. So you can see where we're going with these amazing Chef's Kiss recipes. Now, again, you're going to have 10 main designs, but then what we've done is we've taken these recipes and we've pulled out all the best parts. So some of them are going to have just typography by themselves. You will have the little designs that are on the main recipes individual as well. So not only can you make this beautiful apron I'm wearing here, but then you can take one of the elements off the apron, add it onto a chef's hat, make a matching placemat, and of course some tea towels to go with it. Now look here, we made this amazing cookbook cover for you too, so that my love muffin knows not only that I love him, but I love all the recipes in this book and that he has to cook for me. So this collection is going to be perfect for that special chef in your life, a Chef's Kiss, released in July of 2022.